Hello, I'm Dr. Parikshit Tank. I'm a consulting obstetrician and gynecologist from Mumbai, and I'm also the joint treasurer of Foxy. I'm doing a live webinar on PPROM, that is preterm pre-labor rupture of membranes, and its conservative management on the 27th of March 2020 at 3 p.m. The membranes protect the fetus from the external environment. On occasion, they rupture too early, sometimes before the point of viability, or sometimes before we are comfortable enough with the fetus's maturity to do a delivery. In these situations, conservative management is essential. I would like to thank Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, President Foxy, for starting this remote education activity, Zydus GynNext Division for providing support, and DocMode for providing the platform to conduct this webinar. I look forward to interacting with all of you. Thanks.